A wayward cat stranded on the spillway of J. Edward Roush Lake Dam in Indiana was rescued by the personnel of Army Corps engineers on Sunday. A fisherman had spotted the feline and informed the same to the Huntington County Sheriff's Department.
The cat was up probably 50 to 75 feet, stuck on the crest gates, kind of just sitting there scared, and with a little bit of coaxing,
who in turn enlisted the help of the Army Corps of Engineers. The workers shut down the flow of the water and launched a boat to rescue the cat. Its owner says the cat named Mr. Vanche is an indoor-outdoor cat and had been missing for several days. Other than losing a bit of weight, Mr. Vanche appears to be just fine after his ordeal. An ETV Bharat report.